And we have what we're preparing, the target. Okay, in number 11 here, what do we have? What are pieces of information? Give me one.
Number 11.
One piece of information.
200 milliliters.
We have 200 milliliters of,
1 to 5,000.
which is
potassium.
a order, is that the target or is the stock?
With the target.
Target. Okay, so we have a 1 to 5,000. And how much of it? 200 milliliters? Of potassium permanganate. Okay, now what else do we have? Siobhan. Okay, so stock solution is 2%. And what else do we have? Purified water. Which is what percent? What's the question?
How many milliliters of stock solution in purified water you need?
Is we need how many mLs here? And how many mLs here, right? Where are we going to start?
Changing that ratio to a percent?
Yeah, change that ratio to percent because you have to use percent concentrations on these problems. So we have 1 to 5,000, which means what?
It's 1 gram over
1 gram,
5,000 ml.
5,000 mLs,
Set it to X over 100 ml.
X grams over 100 mLs.
And X is 0.02%.
Okay, so this is 0.02%. Everybody got that? Glacia, what am I going to do for next? I'm going to do an alligation. I've decided to do an alligation with this one. So what am I going to identify first and put all my alligation first?
Would you put the 2% up top first?
The 0.02%,
And then 0% on the bottom.
0% on the bottom. Is that right? Somebody help her out. Jolie, help her out.
0% supposed to be the 200. I put the 0% in the middle and the 200 in the bottom.
Okay. Take a look at it. We got stocks, 2 stocks there, and we've got a target. Where do your stocks go?
It's what at the top.
Stocks are going to go out on the outside. Okay, so we have 0%. That's one of our stocks, and our other stock is 2%. Okay, so now where's the target going?
It should go in the middle.
Now, what's a good way to know once you get it written down there? Because this is a good error to make, or easy error to make. So how do you know you've got stuff in the right place?
The target has to be in between the two.
The target has to be between the 0 and the 2, and if it's not, then there's a problem. Okay? All right, now that we have these written down, what do we have? What do we do next?
You subtract the 0.02 minus 0, which equals 0.02. And then 2 subtract 0.02, which comes out with 1.98. And you add it together.
Okay.
It'll be 2%. What, 2?
2. Okay. Mary Ann, what do I do next? Okay, so you have these 2 added up here. You come up with the proportions that are going to be of each one of these products. So 0.02 over 2 and 1.98 over 2. These are the proportions of each one of your stocks. Okay? Now that we've got the proportions, we can come up with what we need to do to calculate our totals. Okay, now, on the top of each one of those is supposed to be the stocks. This will be the amount of the 2%, I'm sorry.
Divided
Yeah.
by 2%.
This will be the amount of the water. This will be the amount of the target. This will be the amount of the target. So, what do we have?
The target is 200 milliliters.
Target's 200 milliliters, so I can erase these here. And I can put the target. Okay, so this is, I'm sorry, wait a minute, it's 200. And this will be of the 2%, and the amount of the water here, which is gonna be the 0%. Okay, of the 2%, how much do I have? Two?
Yeah, it's 2.
Yes, too.
It's 2.
It's two? Two what?
2 mLs of
2
2%.
mLs, right. Okay, how about the water? Go ahead.
198 milliliters of water.
Okay, now how do I check this, Larry?
Add them both together.
Add these together,
2 milliliters and 198.
which is 200 mLs, and that is the total amount of my target, so I'm correct. Any questions?